Hello traders, this is Wilson from Megafx. In this signal breakdown video, we are going to analyze and briefly break down this signal from the higher time frame to the lower time frame so that you can easily understand all the confluences that we had based on which we took this trade. This trade is currently running around 150 plus pips in Megafx VIP. So let's get started. Let's just jump into the monthly time frame, shall we? In the monthly time frame, if I just hide my drawings, you can clearly see that the high of November 2021 was grabbed during the December. So in the weekly time frame, you can also see the same kind of scenario as the high of the last 3 weeks have been taken out. So all these confluences are not enough to execute this trade. So we're going to need the help of the lower time frames to set our bias and execute this trade with the best entry possible. So let's get started. In the 4-hour time frame, if you just pay a closer look, you can clearly see that price had been printing a descending trend line. If you are a retail trader, you have probably heard of this concept, right? Price usually gets rejection from the wicks of a trend line, and based on those rejections, you can take a trade after engulfing. But in the case of EURNZD, it was probably not that much obvious, because you probably consider a trend line after it has got 3 or 4 times tapped. So this trend line already tapped once, twice, thrice. So kind of this was the point on which you probably thought of going short. So what price did was price simply broke above this zone, this resistance area, and got a significant rejection from 1.6825. This rejection probably was caused because it had reached the quarter number level. Any number that is divisible by 25, it's a quarter number, and price usually gets a significant rejection from those zones. So what we did was we simply analyzed the market and looked for the best possible entry. Now if I just jump in the 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see a break of structure because price closed below this zone and went up. This was the previous support zone that got broken. So our optimum entry would be around this zone. If I just jump into the 15-minute time frame, you can clearly see an order block area because this was the zone that attracted buyers in the market. So price had a significant rejection from this zone. We took this entry around Asian session and price went up, but we kept our SL above this wick, because of which we were safe. So price simply dropped all around London and pre-London session, and then had a huge drop in the NY session. Although price retraced and grabbed the liquidity, the London highs, but still price dropped, and this trade is currently running around 150 plus pips with a risk to reward ratio of 1:13. These are the kind of setups and these are the kind of trades that we provide in our VIP channel on a daily basis. If you want to profit from all these signals for free, you have a good news, because we are offering our VIP service for absolutely free of cost. Just check down the link in the description down below and make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thank you.